Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to search for filters on Instagram. So if you want to create a story with a filter, all you want to do is tap this plus icon at the bottom and we can go right here on this story. And then right here, you will find some filters below the circle right here. You can swipe it so you can try other filters right here. So for example, if we swipe it from right to left, you can see some filters that you can use right here. But if you swipe until the end and you see these browse effects, so you just tap this one to see more filters on Instagram. So right here, if you see all these filters you can use on your post, or you can go right here on trending. So you will see all the trending filters right here. You are available to use it for free. Go on this appearance or in this aesthetic. So it depends on you. You can also go to this search icon at the very left portion and you might search some specific filters that you want to use for this post. So for example, this one. Now we'll try this smile effects right here. So if you want to apply this one on your filter, you just have to tap this one and go back to your camera. So if you want to consider this one, just tap and hold this camera option right here and it will record your video. And once you've done, you can now post to your Instagram story. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.